Okay, I just got a request to change the email address and the phone number on this website. This website is a WordPress website, so the first thing I do, I log into the dashboard of this website. It's at the dashboard that you change it. So WordPress website, except you have changed it, the login is this is how to log in to get to the dashboard. Okay, I've actually changed it because of hackers. I've actually changed it, so I'm logging in. This is what I changed it to. But it gives me the login. So I put the email and password. So I put in the email and password and then login. Okay, some will say administration email verification. If you want to update, fine. You want to email, so email is correct. Okay, email is correct. Okay, so you are here now. Contact us. Click on edit. Okay, so you see the address. You can now change it with the correct address. You click update. So the website is updated. When you now go and browse the website, let's just refresh the contact page. It now has the new address and the new phone number.